Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. We are enjoying our Diwali vacations, and on account of that we have come from Mumbai to Mahabaleshwar. We are staying in a resort in the Mahabaleshwar Panchgani road, and right now we are proceeding to a valley called Kaas Pathar. So Kaas Pathar is now recognized as a heritage site as well, and it seems it is a huge flower valley, and this is the time where the flowers are in bloom. But having said that, we just checked yesterday and it seems like the flowers have not bloomed so much this time, probably because of the rains or so. But let's try our luck, fingers crossed. Let's go there and see how the situation is right now. We are going through the beautiful greens of Mahabaleshwar. So this is a very popular hill station which is like somewhere around 300 kilometers from Mumbai, and it takes you about 6 to 7 hours to reach from Mumbai. And this is how the valley and Mahabaleshwar and its roots look like. So just enjoy the greenery and the beauty around.
So actually we are going through a road that is passing through the Koina Sanctuary. It's a reserve forest, a beautiful green forest. It is part of Western Ghat in the Sahyadri hills. So we'll be taking this road to go to Kaas Pathar. That is.
Friends, listen to this music of nature carefully. If we lend our ears, nature has its own rhythm and its own music. Just look at and feel the peace and the serenity and the music of nature around. And friends, on our way to Kaas Pathar, we have halted at a place to enjoy the surroundings and the beauty around. It is very well said that the journey is equally important and meaningful as the destination. And the saying is very true. If you know how to enjoy the beauty around and the journey around, then your reaching the destination also becomes more meaningful, isn't it? So let me show you the valley around and the beauty that surrounds it. See friends, this is how the valley looks like. Rows of small houses, farming around, green mountains. So beautiful, so peaceful, and so serene. It's just a treat to the eyes. And those slopey areas on the corner, I feel like there is strawberry cultivation there. So Mahabaleshwar is also very famous for its strawberry. So now it is being farmed, it is being grown, and the cultivation or plucking time is around February. Friends, this is the Mahabaleshwar Kaas road. Still there is 45 minutes to reach the destination, Kaas Pathar or Kaas Plateau. But this is how the route looks like. And on this side is this beautiful blue and green valley. There is a temple in front of us. We have come to Mahabaleshwar some 5 years ago, but we haven't been to Kaas, or we haven't come to this part of Mahabaleshwar that time. See this valley.
Look.
Friends, while we are crossing these roads, one thought is crossing our mind, both me and my husband, because we have lived abroad as well for close to 5-6 years. While we appreciate going abroad, enjoying the beauty there, our own country and its different nooks and corners have so much to offer. If we just appreciate what we have, like our own heritage, and like take care of it, preserve it in the way it should, then our country is just unmatchable. I mean, we should appreciate what we have and the beauty and different hidden treasures of the country. Close by only you feel the grandness of it. Friends, we have reached Kaas Pathar or Kaas Plateau, but as anticipated, there is no bloom here. Maybe because of the prolonged rain, there is no bloom, but it's acres and acres of land that gets covered with flowers when it is season time. I'll show you a quick view. And whenever there is full bloom in Kaas Pathar or Kaas Plateau, this is how it looks like. I took a picture to show you the view. And after Kaas Pathar, we stopped by at a nearby local restaurant to have our lunch, and we enjoyed a delightful Maharashtrian thali there, which had like rice bhakri, lok chicken prepared in local way, and other stuffs as well. Friends, this brings us to the end of episode 1 of our Mahabaleshwar trip. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, don't forget to give the video a like, share it with your close ones, and if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to IV Endeavours. Bye for today. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy.